girl Jasmine, aka Jazzy J, and I'm back with another video. So today, you guys, I'm so excited to be doing my first ever brand collaboration. I'm going to be collabing with BUSTIES. BUSTIES is a boob tape company. They do have a lot of products on Amazon as well, so these products will be linked in my Amazon storefront if you did want to check those out. So I have been wanting to try boob tape for a long time because y'all know, y'all know what I'm working with, okay? I've never tried any boob tape or anything like that because I've been nervous, like, oh my god, is it gonna work? Is it gonna work? But today I'm gonna try it with y'all and see if it works and what it's like. So I'm gonna be showing y'all how to use it and everything. So basically inside the box there is a roll of breast tape. There are 4 pairs of satin flower nipple covers, 1 pair of reusable silicone lifting nipple covers, and 1 skin sensitivity kit. So that's what comes in one of the breast tape kits. So let me show y'all up close. So basically these are the silicone reusable nipple covers. This is the test strip or whatever. These are the little flower nipple covers. This is the roll of breast tape here. And then it also comes with a little bag here. This is so cute. This is such a plus. A little black satin bag. I don't know what it is about satin, but I like it. Your girl likes it. So basically what you want to do first, you want to test the adhesive on your skin. You want to make sure you're not allergic to the glue or anything like that. So there's a small test strip that you would use. Let me show y'all. They do warn y'all, so if you decide not to do the test strip, then that's on you, but they do have a little warning card and it says, before use of breast tape, use test strip on ribs for 24 hours to make sure you aren't allergic to the tape. After first 24 hours, if you have a rash or irritation, do not use. So they're basically warning you in here, if you don't want to do the test strip and it irritates you, that's on you, not on them. So use the test strip. So y'all can see, this is my before. This is just a basic black tank top. It doesn't have any like lifting things or anything like that. I don't have a bra on for the sake of this video. So what you want to do first is to apply the nipple covers because, honey, you don't, I feel like us girls, we don't really need an explanation on how to put these nipple covers on. So basically you just put the nipple covers over your nipple. Like on the back it's sticky, you take that off and you just put the nipple covers on your nipples basically. So I have the silicone nipple covers on. They don't feel like anything, I mean, unless I touch them, but they're cool. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply the tape. Basically I'm gonna measure it out and apply it to how I want it. It seems a little difficult, just a little bit for me. Okay, so basically I'm gonna do the crisscross. I'm not sure if I'm doing this right, but I'm gonna go kind of like that, and then I'm gonna do it on the other side as well. So let me just cut this and see. All right, you guys, so I have it on. This is insane. You can already tell the difference between what it looks like before and what it looks like now after. Let me just be clear, I don't have on a bra at all. If we're just standing here looking, you can see that I have a lot more cleavage now. I didn't end up doing the crisscross, I just ended up putting it across here, and then I also lifted it up. So it literally looks like I have a bra on, and I'm not understanding how. Like, this has never happened for me before, and this is great. I really like it. It's actually very comfortable because it doesn't feel like I have a bra. I'm not like really like tight or anything like that. It's literally just holding me up, just keeping everything put together. Like, this is great. I really like them. I do, however, need to get better at learning like how to put it on, like different ways to put it on, and I guess that would come with the different shirts that I have. Gotta kind of get more creative and everything. My boobs are size 36 double D, so this boob tape works for my heavy chested girls. Like, this really works, and it doesn't feel like it's gonna fall or anything like that. I feel like I can move. I feel like I'm going to be protected throughout the day and everything with this. So I'm really excited for this, and I know it's a little lopsided, but it's because of me. I've never done boob tape or anything like that before, so I'm definitely going to get better. If this can work for me, it can definitely work for you girls. So I suggest that you go on my Amazon storefront and check out BUSTIES because they really, I was skeptical because, like I said, I'm a heavy chested girl, but you can't tell me it doesn't look like I have a bra. You're about to see me in all the sleeveless shirts, even though it's winter time. So let me tell you about the takeoff process with Busties. Do not just go peel this off of your skin, no matter how tempting it may seem. Do not just go peel it off of your skin. You are supposed to put oil on the tape so that it gets in within the adhesive and it starts to loosen. And once that starts to loosen, then you can peel the tape off. But if you try to go in and you try to just rip it off like a band-aid, that's when your skin is going to get irritated and that's when it's going to hurt. So you definitely want to get like a cotton swab or something like that, cotton ball, and kind of put oil on it that's going to get into the adhesive so that can start to loosen and you can peel it off. But I do want to show y'all a before and after, so I'm just going to put them up here on the screen just so you can tell that it has been lifted. The boob tape is really doing some work right now. I'm definitely going to be using all the products from this company. Like if this one was this good, I 100% trust them that they have, you know, boob tape that's going to really help me and really be beneficial to me, because you know at Target, the boob tape at Target, you can't trust it. It don't work for us. That's for, you know, people who have B's and C's even. So I personally vouch for the heavy chested girl. This works 100% work. But alright, you guys, that is the end of this video. Don't forget to check out Busties. If you wanted to get this breast tape kit, is gonna be linked in my Amazon storefront, so definitely make sure you check that out. I'm gonna link my Amazon storefront down below as well. And if you did have any questions or anything like that on it, feel free to reach out to me. My DMs are always open, and then also you can comment down below if you wanted to know anything else about them. If there was any other products or anything like that you wanted me to try, definitely let me know down below and I'll see what I can do for you. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to smash the like button, comment down below, and subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't miss a video, because you don't want to miss this. And I'll see you guys in the next video.